Hello, Mr. Heeb here, and today we're going to talk about setting up this game. And first, we're going to set up the base. Now, in the beginning, we need to set up with our basic normal things we've done, but now we have to import random, import time, and then flatten the world like you've seen me do many times. So now that we have a flat world that we're dealing with, now we need to think about what kind of base we want to deal with when we're making this. So I think dirt is probably the least important thing in Minecraft. And so what I'm doing is I want to just make some dirt that you have to dig through to find these gems. So I'm going to start from -10, 0, -10. So -10 for X and Z, and going out to 10, 10, and X and Z, and it's going to go from the Y is going to go from 0 to 1. And when we do that, it's going to create a box that's both at 0 and 1 high, and it's going to be dirt. Now I'm going to set the player's position right above that. So the player's position is going to be 0, 3 or 0, 2, 0 because the block has a Y at 1. All right, so when I run that, you can see there it is. Just a bunch of dirt. All right, so now we have the dirt. Now we need to think about our next steps. So first we'll need to set block. And note, before we do anything random, we need to make sure we imported random at the top. And we're going to randomize some blocks that we're going to put on the bottom. We're going to randomize the X somewhere between -10 and 10. We're going to randomize the Z between -10 and 10, but our Y is going to be at 0 because we want it on the bottom level. So we're going to put stone, so our block is going to be 1, and when I run that, it's going to put 1 stone somewhere underneath here. I don't even want to go looking for it because there's only going to be 1 in there. So stone is not going to be very valuable in our game, so we're going to put 20 stones down there. All right, so when I run this, there's going to be 20 stones that randomly appear under our first layer of dirt. Great. So now we can move on to another one. So when we do this, let's just copy and paste it. So I copied it, and now I'm going to say what we're doing, and now we can turn it to whatever we want. So since our next one's going to be a little bit more valuable, I used 89. That's going to be our glowstone, and I made 15 glowstone. Now our next one, let's think about this. Now let's do the obsidian. So our obsidian, let's have 10 of those. And our last one will be our diamonds, our most valuable. Now diamond is 57. We could do 56, would be like the ore, not 57. It's pure diamond. I think it's a lot cooler to do 57. So now if we hit this, we can look down and look around. Oh, and there's our diamond. We can get more things. And hopefully there's some more around here. Not having a ton of luck here. Oh, there it is. There's some glowstone. All right, so you can see there's some pieces that are randomly generated on the bottom. And every time you run it, you're going to have a different bottom. So each time you run it, you don't have an advantage. Now, I made a whole bunch of diamond. Let's just move that down to 5 diamonds. So all in all, we have a good chunk of material down there. So now when I hit this, let's see if I can find some. Oh, there's some obsidian. Let's see if we can find some more stuff. All right, there's some stone. All right, so we can see that this is working, and we are able to randomly generate some stones that occur below, and we have started the base of the game that we're going to be playing.